Hello friends! Today we're going to do some fun and healthy yoga exercises for our bodies. Follow along and do them with me. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Stand tall like a mountain. Feet strong on the ground. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Do it just like me. Stand like a tree. Breath in and smile. Very good. Excellent. Now let's move the next exercise.
Stand tall. Reach up. Breathe in.
Reach up to the sky. Nice job.
Please sit down now. Sit comfortably. Relax and breathe. Awesome! Let's keep going. Sit comfortably.
Reach up to the sky. Breath in and smile.
You are doing great. We're sitting in this position. Feet together. Flap your wings gently, like a butterfly. Very good. Now look at me. Sit down like me. We are now in cat pose.
Excellent.
Now we are in cow pose.
Do it just like me.
You are doing great. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Stretch like a puppy. Push the floor away. Breathe in and out. You are doing very well. Now, lie down like me. Rest on your arms. Lift your chest gently. Breathe in and smile. Awesome! Let's keep going. Lift your chest like a cobra. Breathe in and smile. You are doing great. Rest like a little child. Breathe slowly. Feel calm and safe.
Excellent.
Lie down comfortably. Let's sleep. Let's rest peacefully.
We have completed the yoga exercises with you. Congratulations, you did very well. Did you like our yoga today? Like and subscribe for more fun yoga.